Welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Gigsmart app works, a platform designed to connect workers with flexible, on-demand shift jobs while classifying them as W-2 employees. It allows users to browse and accept jobs in industries like warehousing, construction, retail, and event staffing, offering an alternative to traditional gig work with added employment protections. After signing up and completing a background check, users create a skills profile and start receiving local job alerts. Jobs listed in the app include pay details, shift times, and employer info. Once a user accepts a job, they clock in and out directly within the app. Standard payments are processed within a few days, with the option to receive immediate pay for a small fee. Since workers are treated as W-2 employees, they receive benefits such as workers' compensation and liability coverage during their shifts. One major advantage of Gigsmart is its access to a variety of jobs without requiring long-term commitments. The option for instant pay, along with built-in insurance coverage, makes the app appealing to users looking for flexible work with some level of security. It's also appreciated for its streamlined onboarding and relatively fast payout options. However, users have reported that job availability can be inconsistent depending on location. Some have also experienced app glitches, delayed notifications, and occasional problems with shift acceptance. Customer support response time has been noted as another area of concern. Based on recent user experiences, many users appreciate the flexibility and fast payouts, especially those in urban areas where jobs are more frequent. However, some users report difficulty getting selected for shifts, and others have shared frustrations about last-minute cancellations and the app's performance issues during clock-ins. In conclusion, Gigsmart stands out for combining gig flexibility with W-2 employee protections, making it a solid choice for people seeking short-term work and fast pay. While the app does face challenges like limited support and tech issues, it remains a useful option for supplementing income in areas with high job availability. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.